know that one of our goals here on Good Day Dayton is to get you deals whenever we can on discounts on things happening in the Miami Valley. And that's exactly what we are doing today. We are here at the Appliance Factory to talk about some of the deals they are having right now and special appliances that you can buy. But before we learn about those specific items, I want to chat with the team here a little overall about what goes on at the Appliance Factory. Hanging out with our friend Melissa this morning. How are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I am happy to be here. Let's just chat about Appliance Factory in general. Who are you guys?
So we've been open for about 40 years now. Most of our stores are in Colorado, and then we have a few here. And we are the 25th largest in the nation for appliance dealer. And we have over 20,000 Google reviews, and we're almost at a 5-star. And we are 8 rated with the BBB.
And of course, as you said, you guys have a lot of stores out west, but here in Dayton and Columbus, you guys have been here for a good while now, providing good deals to people in our area. And I know you guys provide those deals by passing on savings you get from the places where you get the appliances and passing those savings on to the customers. And I want to make sure we talk about some of those appliances in particular. What do we have right here?
So this is actually a Whirlpool washer that normally retails for about $1,500. We have it for $9.99, and if you use our special word, which is Bonanza, you get an LG dryer for free with it.
So the whole thing, this set right here, is for about $1,000?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. And remember what she said, that code word right there is Bonanza. That is the code word for the savings that are being had right now at Appliance Factory. And you can use that code word again, Bonanza, for this item right here. Tell me more about this.
This is a Frigidaire Gallery side-by-side. Big Box has it for around $11.99. We have it for $8.99. And about $300 off when you use the code word Bonanza.
Wonderful. That was the code word right there. And these are the individual items that we've highlighted today. Just want to make sure we highlight a full set. What are you guys doing special right here for this entire full set?
So this is a Frigidaire dishwasher, a Frigidaire electric range, and a Frigidaire side-by-side. The entire package is $1,599. And if you were to get it at big box stores, it'd be over $2,000.
So pretty cool stuff across the board right
Yes.
here. A lot of savings to be had. One more time, that code word, if you want to come in here to Appliance Factory and get any of these current deals they're doing, the code word is Bonanza. Just wanted to close this out by saying you guys are known for your appliances here, but you also do a lot of mattresses as well, right?
Yes. Currently, we sell DreamCloud, Casper, Nectar, Stearns & Foster, Tempur-Pedic, and Purple. And we do have some clearance Tempur-Pedics currently, some firm and medium. So I'd love for you to try it.
I'd love to check those out. If you're interested in the mattresses, you can come on down here to the Appliance Factory as well. Last thing before we go, if anybody wants to visit you guys here, remind me, where are we right now?
We are on Springboro Pike at the corner of Lyons and Springboro Pike.
Perfect, right here, just by the Dayton Mall on the south side of Dayton. We appreciate you. Melissa, thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate you.
Thank you, I appreciate it.